Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I make cornbread stuffing, starting out with the ingredients: salt, buttermilk, baking powder, eggs, butter, as well as some fine cornmeal. This is a Haitian brand. It doesn't make a difference, but I feel that supporting, Haitian owned products is the best way to go. I have my sugar and flour. And that is all the cornbread ingredients. Now for the stuffing ingredients, I have my onion, bell peppers, celery, olive oil, chicken stock, Pam to spray the pan, of course. I have my sausage. I'm showing you, I had it upside down, so I had to fix that. But Creole seasoning, some garlic powder, ground sage, as well as some French bread. Not only do we have French bread, but we also have some fresh thyme as well. So what I'll be doing is uploading the link in the description box of the cornbread recipe. I did make that a separate video, so please feel free to see how I make my cornbread from scratch. It'll have a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this delicious tasting cornbread. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. If you do decide to use my ingredients, please feel free to go ahead and leave a comment in the section box letting me know that you did try it and it did come out amazing. How would you rate it and everything? Feel free to let me know. It's good for us to talk on this app to get to know each other a little bit more. And I will always be open to, answering any questions you have. So moving on, we're going to make the stuffing part, of course. So if you didn't get any ground sausage, you can always get the whole one and just remove the outer layer of the sausage, and just that'll make it easier as far as grounding. This is an extra step that I did take in order to ground it. I think it was just a little bit too pricey and I wasn't willing to pay it, so I took this step. Never forget, washing your ingredients. So always kills the germs. You chop it, and then you're going to oil your pan to cook the chopped up bell peppers as well as onions and celery. So go ahead, get it in that pan, get it cooking until it's tender, and you add the celery. So I put that in a bowl, and now this is the cooking part of the sausage, where I told you, previously I would ground it myself. I'm showing you my onion powder and all the ingredients that I have listed below. I tend to kind of combine them together to make it easier. And I'm going to use that seasoning to sprinkle on to the bell peppers, cooked bell peppers, onions, and celery. I'm showing you how I chopped up the French bread as well as the cornbread. So take your cornbread and add it into the cooked ingredients. You're going to take a glove. Make sure you use a glove. You're doing a lot of touching with this dish, and it's always good to, protect yourself from germs, contaminating anything. So I like to do that. I am going to upgrade to some black gloves. So add some eggs to the stuffing, which has the cornbread and all that mixture. And don't forget to add your chicken stock. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to pop that bad baby in the oven, let it cook. Everything will be listed in the description box, and it'll have a step-by-step tutorial on what to do as far as reading it. This is the outcome. The cornbread stuffing came out so good. Please don't forget to spray your pan. Make sure it's well sprayed so that way there's no sticking or anything, and this is going to be chef's kiss. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.